Today was supposed to be a chill trip to Nami Island and Gangchon Rail Park. Emphasis on supposed to.
Hi guys! Right now we're going to Nami Island but we're so lost. We're still here at the Guri station and supposedly by now we should have arrived, but because we're lost, we rode the wrong we got on the wrong train. So right now we're still looking for. Oh, is this correct event? Waiting, huh? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is there. Okay. It says line 8 in the map.
We were deep in a spiral of confusion and second guessing. But thankfully, after 2 hours of wandering, we found the right train. And then we decided to take a taxi to Gapyeong Wharf, just to make sure we won't get lost again.
Hi guys, finally we have arrived at the Nami Island parking lot. So I think we're just gonna buy some tickets. So we can go to Nami. There are a lot of food stalls here. And there's a 7-Eleven even. So there's really no problem. But I don't know where to buy the ticket. Uy, padung man na zip line, zip wire. Let's check if it's for.
You can do it.
No, the zip wire is a bit gone. I think I saw some vlogs nga they went there, Nami station. So we'll just go maybe eat in Nami Island, I'm not sure. Or maybe we'll just go here also. Not sure. Hopefully when we go back. Okay, so the Nami Island boat just left. I'm not sure what time will it come back. Maybe it will just come back after 30 minutes? How do you know? How do you know?
It's low. It seems they're gonna have a tour of it on the island. So it's gonna take really long.
I don't think so. Every 30 minutes, good. Oh my gosh. Sayang. Okay, so we have to wait 30 minutes.
Actually, we only waited 10 minutes and then the next boat arrived. And eventually, miraculously, we made it to Nami Island! But by that point, we had barely enough time left because it's already 12 noon and our tickets to Gangchon Rail Park is scheduled at 2:30. So we took a quick lunch, squeezed in a few photos, tried to take it all as fast as we could, and then we had to bounce. But here's where the day flipped. We made it just in time for a 2:30 ride at Gangchon Rail Park. And honestly, totally worth the chaos. It was peaceful, beautiful, and weirdly therapeutic after the morning madness. It felt like we earned this little slice of calm.
We're now going back to the starting point. Ha?
Ah, i-delete mo ang...
So we're lining up for the shuttle bus to arrive. That will take us back to the starting point. There. That's a shuttle bus. Maybe? Maybe not.
This wasn't the vlog I thought I'd make, but it's probably more real than anything I could have scripted. We got lost, stressed, rushed, and still had a great time. If you've ever been completely lost while traveling, drop your story in the comments so I know I'm not the only one.
Hey guys, so we just left the rail park and now we're gonna go to the train station to go back to Seoul. Also, by the way, I'm the one vlogging because my mom is still vlogging, you know, her journey. So yeah, we're gonna go to the train. The train is a bit far. We're gonna have to walk, but yeah, it's gonna be another 2-hour drive. So yeah, thanks guys. Please finish my mom's video.